Talofa lava, malo lelei, whakalofa lai atu, ni sambolo manaka, talo ni, aloha, kia orana, yorana, kia ora, and greetings. Welcome back to this fifth and final ukulele strum tutorial 5. I'll give you an explanation and then we'll get into it. I'll see you straight after this. Okay, welcome back and thanks for staying tuned. As I said in tutorial 4 that I'll be showing all the strums together. Fortunately, my family won't be in this one as they were in the last and fifth ukulele, guitar and bass tutorial, so I'll be doing this one on my own. Moving on, I'll be strumming the chords in this tutorial. Just to explain the names of the chords, which is C, C7, G7 and F. To repeat that again, C, C7, G7 and F. Now in the ukulele, in terms of calling names, we don't actually use that name C or C7. We use numbers or just another calling name. For example, C is open, an open chord. C7 is a 1. F is a 2 because it's 2, and G7 is a 3. So to repeat that again, C is open, C7 is 1, F is a 2, and G7 is a 3. That's the ukulele terms of calling the chords. Now for the format of chords that I'll be strumming is the same format that I used in my other tutorials, which was the ukulele bass or guitar tutorial 5. Just to revive or go over it again, the chords are C, C7, F, C, G7 and back to C. To repeat that, C, C7, F, C, G7 and back to C. Now there's an intro that starts this melody. I'll quickly explain the name of the chords, then I'll show you how to play it. So the chords are C, G7, C, G7. Again, C, G7, C, G7. And then it starts the melody. So in ukulele terms, it's C. The C would be different because it's a 2-bar when I show you. And then it goes to G7, which is a 3. And then back to C, which is open. And then back to G7, which is 3. Okay, now to quickly show you, with your middle finger going to the 4th bar from the top, the second from the top string, okay, and then with your index finger going to the 3rd bar with the second to last string, so it's this one. That's your starting intro C. So I said it's a 2C in the ukulele terms. Now play the Brother Love strum. Ding, 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 ding. There's 4 bars in this. Okay, so that's number 1. The second one is G7, 3. Ding, 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 and an open chord C. Ding, 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 ding. Back to G7, 3 ukulele terms. Ding, 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 ding. Then start your melody. Okay, again, C, G7, 3, C, open chord, G7, which is 3, then start melody. With what I've explained, I hope you've picked up something, but we're going to get into it right now. Well, there you go. We've come to the end, which is our last tutorial. I hope you viewers enjoyed this, where it was so exciting for me to share and teach this style of ukulele. Thank you for watching and being a great audience. Thank you for your likes, comments, subscribing and clicking that notification button. Continue to do so if you want to see more music tracks, live music videos and tutorials. Just to give you an update that I'll be putting my next music track in Cook Island, and also live music videos of our band Tupou's Fynist. Once again, thank you for tuning in. Kia ora, e ke manui.